So he can buy it by either paying 40,000 cash or by giving it in 10 installment. So his 10 installment starting with the rate 4,800 in the first month, and in the second month 50 minus, that is 4,750 in the second month, and 4,700 in third month, and so on in this way. Okay, if he pays monies in this fashion, find the total amount paid in 10 installment. That means he's asking total amount. That means we have to add all the amount from the first month. Okay, from the very first beginning month. Okay, how much extra amount that he has to pay than the cost. Okay, so the cost is 40,000. If he pays, if there is some extra amount in 10 installment, we need to find it. Okay, so first one, see given. So I'm just writing given installment. Yeah, installment in first month is 4,800. Installment in second month is 4,750. Installment in third month is 4,700. That means the given data is in this way: 4,800, 4,750, 4,700, and so on. Clearly this is an arithmetic progression with A 4,800, D is second term minus first term is minus 50 because this is a smaller one than this number, and N is 10 installment because we have 10, right? Then we need to find total amount paid in 10 installments. So first one is total amount paid in 10 installment. So this is a question. So here we go, S10 we have to find. So you know the formula, Sn is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So summing up formula, so S10. So S10 is nothing but 2a, a is 4,800. So if we double 9,600, okay. So 9,600, n by 2, n is 10 by 2, that is 5. 9,600, then n minus 1d. So n minus 1 is 9 times d is minus 50. So this is equal to 5 times 9600 minus, and we are multiplying it twice, right? Yeah. So 45 450, that means 9150. If I multiply this with this one, 45,000, 9 5s are 45, 5 into 150, 750. Yeah, I think this one. So this is the amount which we have in 10 installment. Okay, so total amount paid in 10 installment is S10, and that is 45,750. So second one is we need to find an extra amount that he has paid, that he has to pay than the cost. Okay, so extra amount is nothing but given amount is 45,750, and the cash was, cost of the amount is 40,000. If you just subtract it, his extra amount will be 5,750 is the extra amount. Okay, so this is, so I think this is nothing difficult problem. So this is an easier one. So this is the answer.